There is a lot of great information hidden within your SAP system. Unfortunately, reports and standard queries don't provide access to most of this data, and using SAP's tools to extract this data can be overly complex and difficult to use. ACL Direct Link provides a data connector for SAP that is certified by SAP. It provides a quick, easy, and secure method for accessing this useful data within an SAP ERP and SAP CRM system. ACL Direct Link has been in use for over 15 years and approved by SAP basis administrators around the world with over 1,000 SAP implementations. It provides many of our customers with access to their data when they need it the most. To import data, you just need to identify the table and the fields, then submit the query. Direct Link will retrieve the data and automatically format it as a brand new ACL table that's ready for your analysis. It provides options like background mode to minimize the possibilities of data extractions impacting production systems. Direct Link is read-only to avoid any concerns of modification of system data, and data access rights are based off of existing SAP permissions. It's easy to use with search and filter for tables. Queries can be built, saved, and reused at any time. Imports create an ACL command that can be used for automation, either in ACL Analytics or ACL Analytics Exchange. It's powerful. Tables can be combined and filtered before being brought into ACL. While most queries are typically for smaller, specific data retrievals, be comforted in knowing that it can also bring down gigabytes of data if needed. Some of our customers have successfully used it to bring down over 500 gigabytes of data with a single query. In summary, ACL Direct Link provides access to information that is typically very hard to acquire. It's secure and trusted by many, built with features to minimize impact on SAP performance, it's easy to use, and it's powerful.